Hello friends, welcome to our channel Avisan Fatka. Today we came here to drink a very different drink, lemon shot. You have heard about tequila shot? Yes, that is alcoholic drink. Have you heard about lemon shot? This is non-alcoholic drink. So this Jai Malhar Goti Soda is selling this lemon shots. So apart from lemon shot, it is also having number of drinks like a mojito, pineapple. You can see a bowl varieties are here. So if you are coming here, you can taste, and the rate is also nominal from rupees 15 to 20 rupees. So this is our uncle. He is going to make a lemon shot for us. So let us see how is he doing. This shop is on the Satpur Road, Nashik. So he's making a shot ready. Now he's adding secret masala into it. We don't know what kind of masala, but he said that it's secret masala. And finally our shot is ready. So let us see how the drinks becomes. Wow, let's have it. Isn't it different one? So if you want to have this drink, do visit the shop, which is on Satpur Road, Nashik. If you liked our video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for future notification. We will meet in our next episode. Stay safe, take care. Thank you.